Hey, 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 good morning. It is Friday, and here's our job for today. What we're going to concentrate on is getting this driveway cleaned up, and it's really not that bad. Got some staining, black algae embedded in the concrete. It's got a lot of cracks, so they are going to get it patched up a little bit more. And then I think that they're going to put pavers. So I looked at the house. They wanted to originally get the house done, but I'm looking at it and it looks clean. The homeowner takes care of it. She does it all on her own with the hose and stuff. But I am going to go ahead and hit that up there. The soffits, sun's in my eye. Soffits are discolored up there, so we're going to clean that up. Get this foyer cleaned up, all this grout in the tile. Get that cleaned up, get the cobwebs knocked off on here. And that'll be a wrap. Gonna do the house wash next time. Unless she keeps doing the great job that she does. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and we'll be right back to talk about downstream and how to hook it up. How it works, what tips to use. We're gonna go 150 feet. The water source is over there around the corner, so we're going to use our big boy. Got an extra hose reel there. All right, we'll be right back. Okay, let's talk about the setup, okay? Here's the downstream injector right here. This is your loader. This is what you'll see sticking out of your 4-gallon-a-minute machine if that's what you have. But anyway, you hook the injector to the loader, okay? Run your hose into the tank over there, see it? Okay. I peeled off 150 feet of hose. Plug this in. There, we're ready to go to work. Okay, how downstreaming works is you get the right tips that'll turn the soap on and off from 300 feet away. So, this is a V-Jet soap tip, it's standard, and this is a long-range soap tip. These are both standard tips. You can use them with 4-gallon-a-minute, 5, 8. This is a wide rinse tip. It's a 1520 for 8-gallon-a-minute machine. This is a wash jet tip. These are both rinse tips, and this is a 0015 for 8-gallon-a-minute. If you have a 4-gallon-a-minute machine, get the 0010. Okay, and you can simply call Ameritech Pressure Washing Systems, the go-to place, to get these supplies. But anyway, how it works is you turn the soap on with these, and when you change to these rinse tips, it shuts the soap off. Okay? A lot of guys have downstream bypass systems and all this stuff. If you want to spend the money on that and you like doing that, that's great, but you really don't need to if you have the right tips. And downstream, it could be made simple or it could be made complicated. Anyway, I like things simple. So now what we're going to do is SH this whole entire driveway. And then we're going to take the mini Mondu, which is over there in the rack, and we're going to take it out before we get the thing over the machine running, because it is over the top of the hoses on the mini Mondu over there. You see it? So anyway, we'll be right back. Let's get after it. Let's take a look. Look at that sticky icky all over the place, huh? Very cool. Here comes the homeowner watching over here. All right, we can see how bright that gutter is all the way up there already. Oh yeah, it's already cleaned up. It's gonna make a big difference. All right, now we're gonna get after the mini Mondu. Get this puppy cleaned up. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's just have a look. It's all cleaned up. Got a puddle down there, and we got a puddle right here. The wash jet tip is going to get rid of that. Look how bright that white up is up there. All that came nice and clean up there. Yvonne is going to be very happy. All this grout's clean. Looks good. We just got to touch up the little black spots there on the edges with the ball valve, or the wide wash tip is what we're going to use. I use the ball valve to rinse a lot of days, but that's just kind of like for show. You can definitely get a lot more rinsing done when you use the wide angle tip. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's take a look at this puppy, huh? Looks good. No marks. Got most of this stuff off. I'll hit this with a little bit more of a rinse, wash it off the edge of the driveway. Let's come on up here and look at this. Okay, there's a couple little marks of black algae right there, which we'll go ahead and treat. The soffits and gutters came out good. There's still some stuff up there. Right there we need to rinse off. All right, let's get after it, and we'll have a final review. Maybe we'll get a kind word from the homeowner today. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's give it a final look. I don't see a mark anywhere now. Pre-treated and post-treated. The driveway hadn't been cleaned in a long time. Now it's clean. That's clean, clean, clean. Look at that. It looks good. Got all the water off the puddling areas. Got all the mud off. Came up here and treated this right here. This black algae that was in the concrete. Look at that beautiful sidewalk, huh? Looks good. Everything looks good up there. Everything came out good. Yvonne ought to be very happy. Let's find out. On here from Silverblast, I got a new customer. I do her parents' house. Yvonne, what do you think about the service today?
You did a great job. Don is very honest. He came out with the intention of pressure washing my home as well as my driveway, and said my home didn't need it. My dad was right. My dad recommended him, and if you don't use Super Blast, you should, because he does a great job. He's honest with integrity. Thank you so much. I am now a regular customer.
There you have it. See how easy that is, folks? Be honest, give a good price,
and get after it.
And get after it. You heard her. All right, Yvonne, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Well, there you have it, guys. You see, you don't have to get the high dollar for everything all the time. You know, you might get the high dollar for the day you're there to do the job, but are they going to call you back? Are they going to be regular every year customers that use you all the time? See, that's how you build a business. Just a contractor tip. You know, I've been in business for a long time. Over 34 years I've been in business. Printing business for 28, and I've been in this business for 7 come this February. So I've been very successful only because of hard work, and I'm honest, and you give a good price. All right, let's get after it. We got 2 more to do today. All right, here we are, job number 2. It's the regular customers. Driveway's not that bad of shape, so we're just going to get ahead and hit the sidewalk all the way down that way, all the way to right here. Then we're going to be doing this one over there, and I just picked this one up over there. So that's 3 driveways we're going to be doing here, and let's get after it. And now for the satisfying rounds. All right, let's have a look. This thing came out popping good, man. All those tree stains are all gone. Oak tree things. Went ahead and mini mondued it first, then went ahead and post treated it. Then I had to spot treat a couple of the acorn stains. That's going to leave for a nice bright shiny job. All right, now we're going to head on over here. We have this one directly across the way and that one. Let's get after it. All right, here we are, jobs 3 and jobs 4. They're both about the same dirtiness. Both got black mold, algae in the cement. So we're going to be going down that second mailbox over there, all the way over here. I see that customer's heading for the hills. He sees the camera. And we got to go all the way down to the front door there, all right? All right, that's going to be it. Let's get after it, all right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna pre-treat these two. That one over there came out nice. You can see it's nice and bright and white over there, huh? You can see the sticky icky still sticky icky on the surface. Oh gee, Tennessee, it really stays out a long time. Chumley, shut up. Why do you always tell me to shut up? Because you're a goofball and you need to get back to work. Okay, boss. Alright, let's have a look at this one. This one came out really nice. We have acorn stains right here, a couple tree stains. Then we got a little bit of black stuff over here. Black algae down the concrete. See that? That'll all come clean. Alright, and we got these two pads down the side over here to clean. That one, and there's one behind the bush. We got this one to do next. I think we've seen enough mini mondu and messing around. We'll be right back for the satisfying rounds. That was for you, Yvonne. Get up there! Well, I've been getting a lot of requests for this. I don't know why, but here it goes. And now for the satisfying rounds. Ooh. All right, let's have a look at these 3 jobs. This one came out really nice. That one came out great. The gutter in the road looks good. There's a gentleman over there. He's happy. That driveway came out popping. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. And thank you so much for your support. And thank you to all my customers this week. Thank you to everybody that tunes in every day. Frank, thank you, buddy. Yvonne, Truth Seeker, Slim 469, ET, Rob, how you doing, buddy? Tom over there, slinging suds, baby. We got Cliff from Flamingo. We got Jason Garrett. We got AZW Pressure Washing, and the list goes on and on. Thank you so much, and remember, Don't touch my shit. And always, get after it! Don here from Super Blast. My whole family gets after it. Even my dog gets after it. Watch this. Hey, Sam, sit down. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Get after it. What do we do, hon?
We all get after it.
See that? Get after it.